expanded single bracket, right? We just looked at some of the questions, and today we're also going to continue solve the exercises. All right? So listen super carefully. Yes?
Are we also going to copy it in our notebook, or are we just going to do it orally?
Sorry?
Are we also going to copy it in our notebook, or are we just going to do it orally?
No, write it down to your copybook, okay? So first one, if I want to expand this bracket, okay? So I need to multiply 4 by y and 4 by 2. That's the easy one, right? So what is 4 times y?
4y.
It's 4 y's, right? And what is 4 times 2? I wrote here positive 8 because it's positive 2 times 4. That is done. 4 y's plus 8. So let's move to the question 2. So on the question 2, okay, I need to multiply 2 by 3w and 2 by negative 5y. 2 times 3w, how much is this, Sultan? 2 multiplied by 3w, Sultan. 2 times 3w, Sultan. 6w, and 2 times negative 5y? Negative 10y. That's it. Alright, thank you, Sultan. Yes? So for question 3, 3 times 3 times 2y's and 3 times negative 1. So 3 times 2y gonna give us 6y's. And 3 times negative 1? Minus 3 or negative 3, alright? Is that okay? Yes. Now think getting a bit harder, okay? Copy that down, question 2 and the question 3, and I'm going to show you the question 4 in a minute on the board. And on question 4, the thing that you need to take into account is you're multiplying letter by itself. For example, y times y.
It equals y squared.
Y squared, perfect. Are you done?
Yes.
No?
So I got a question for the notebook.
Yeah?
Did we learn it?
What?
Did you teach it in the class?
Yes, we'll just look at it, okay? Let's just first try to finish this one, okay? So because I'm pretty sure the questions that you didn't do is gonna be somewhere over here, and you will find out, okay, how to do it, okay? So now question 4, okay? On the question 4, we have to multiply y by 3y's and y by 5. Good morning. Yes, please.
Can I ask one question?
Can you what?
To ask you a question.
Yes, ask her.
And the chat? And in the chat?
Shukran. Thank you. Yes.
Can I answer?
Yes.
So it's going to be 3y squared
3y squared.
plus 5y.
That's it. Okay? That's it. As you can see, so easy. You just multiply and that's it. Okay? Yes, so done with this, right? I'm going to move down. So we'll solve question 5 and 6 together. Okay? So I need to multiply please. 4 by 2m. And I need to multiply 4 by negative 3p. No, yes. 4 times 2m, 8m, right? And what else? We have there also It's negative 3. Negative 12. Don't forget to write down P, alright? Is that okay? Yes. Okay, so x multiplied by x multiplied by 3, yes? And plus 3x's. Good job, that's it, alright? Yes. Now let's do question 7. I hope you wrote 5 and 6 because just one step, okay? So as you can see, the all questions here is just the 1 mark because it's just the one step you're doing there, right? 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark. So 2 marks we have over here because they're also basically marking whether you're going to multiply and write the y squared or not. So to writing there y squared gives you 1 mark and the whole answer is going to be basically 2 marks. Whole correct answer. So 5y times 2y's, 5y times 2y's will be 10y squared. That's perfect. 10y squared. Super. But what about 5y times 1? 5y. Guys, basically this part gives you a 1 mark. If you, for example, did this part mistake, I mean, you did this wrong, but this is correct, 1 mark. Altogether, including this part, gonna give you 2 marks. The whole mark you're going to get.
Sir? Both of the letters are the same. They're both y. So can I add them?
No, it's y squared and y. We cannot add them.
But they're the same letters. Y.
Same letters doesn't mean they're like terms. They're just same letters. Y squared and y is not a like term.
Oh, okay.
Okay? A squared plus a is a squared plus a. It doesn't have an like answer, let's say. Okay? Y squared and y they're not like term, guys. Please don't forget this. If it is 10y and plus 5y, yes, we can write 15y's, okay?
What if it's 10y squared plus 5y squared?
It's going to be 15y squared. Okay, so question 8. Have you done with the question 7?
Yes.
Perfect. Question 8. So to solve the question 8, I need to expand that. So 2h minus 8. Okay? That's it. Why you're not writing? Why? It's not what?
It's just not there.
Take a paper and write it then. Quick. Waiting for you. Are we done with this?
Yes.
Good. So next questions. Question 8, 9 and question 10. Alright. What's your name? Abel. I was about to make a joke. Yeah. Question 9.
A squared minus a 9a.
9a. Number comes first, okay? A9 is also sort of like, yes, okay, but number comes first. Yes. Yes, Omar? 30? 9y. Perfect. That's it. Okay? That's it. I think we need to do something a bit harder. Okay? Yeah. Let's finish this then. Okay? Let's move something a bit harder. So question 11, I think we have one more page and it's going to be done. Okay? So guys, when we are multiplying by the negatives, okay, so this is a bit different. You need to be super careful with this. Okay? Let me just solve the first one. I'm just going to let you just solve the second one. I'm multiplying negative 3 by y and negative 3 by 2. Negative 3 times y gives us negative 3y's. Okay, as you can see, it's negative 3y's. I'm going to write negative. But negative 3 times positive 2 gives us negative 6. I need to write minus 6. As you can see, none of them is positive there, okay? Because I multiplied by negative 3, okay? Yes. For the second one, Kevin. Yes.
So in the 11th question, I wrote that minus 3y plus brackets minus 6.
Okay, so if you, let me just erase this and write what you said. Plus negative 6. Kevin, but we do know that y plus negative, I mean plus and minus sign together, plus and minus gives us a single negative, right? So why not to, instead of writing the double sign there, plus and minus 6, write down negative 3y or just a minus 6, okay? So your answer is still correct. Your answer is still correct. I'm not saying it's wrong, but if you write it in this way, it will be much better, okay? Try to get used to write it in this way, all right? Yes. Sultan, yes, 12.
Minus negative 2y plus 8y.
Plus what?
Negative 8.
You were right, actually.
8.
It's just the 8, Sultan. The reason it's positive 8, because you're multiplying negative 2 by negative 4. So negative times negative gives a positive number. We do know that, right? Good. So can we move? Can we move? Yes. So the last page, and we are done, okay? So guys, on question 13, we have y times y squared plus 3. So I want, yes, you.
Y 4, like to the power of 4.
No.
3.
Y times y squared.
3.
We have y cubed plus
Plus y 3y.
3y, okay? Because you're multiplying y by y squared. Y cubed plus 3y,
I
okay?
thought it was Q, I even wrote Q.
What?
I thought it was Q, Y cube. That's why I said Y to the power of 4. I even wrote Q, that's why.
Okay. So next one, question 14, Akil.
So, so 2w to the 3w square will be 5w square.
5, but you're multiplying them.
No, 6w square.
6w not squared. It's w you are multiplying by w squared. W times w. Just we said over there y times y squared is y cubed. That means w times w squared will be then w cubed. Is that clear?
Yes.
Akil will be 6w. But what about the other part? Minus
5.
minus 10 10w. Yes. You want to do the next one? All right.
Sir, can I do the next one, please? Sir, please continue.
Okay. Please tell the answer for y squared times 8 minus 2y's. Not you. You. No, not able. No, you. Her. She. Yes. Yes. 8y squared. No, it's y squared times y, not y squared. Y cubed, because you're multiplying y squared by y, it gives us y cubed. And the Antoine. I said just Antoine, sorry. Yes.
3 squared, 3a squared plus
2ac. But there is a a that you are multiplying, and we have the a over here.
2a squared c.
2a squared c. Gracias, Antoine. Are we done with this?
No.
Yes.
So let's start with something. Do something a bit harder. Okay? Who's it, sir? All right. I think you're gonna like this.
No, sir, I don't like it.
You're gonna like this. Don't worry about it.
I'm gonna like if you give us a test, sir.
No.
About this, please. Give us a test.
No, yes.
We can keep doing problems like this and then we can.
Mister, can we do a voting of who wants to do the test and who doesn't?
Please, sir, please.
No.
How is he gonna do a test in like 5 minutes?
Can we do it on?
Because the guys, to make a test first, I need to plan this test. I need to print it. Am I right? So I didn't print anything.
Online test, yeah.
We do online
Online
test.
test like a Kahoot.
No. Just go to Google Classroom.
No, this.
Yes, 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 yes,
So do you know everything going to be posted on YouTube, your voices, okay? So listen me now, guys, those questions also is I'm not gonna say easy or I don't want to say hard. It's somewhere between easy and hard because two processes we're gonna do and collect the like terms also, okay? So let's just have a look at question 5A first. Yes?
Do I answer it? Or Mr. also, where do we find the
I'll post it, okay? So A.
This is confusing.
Can I try?
A. Yes. Listen me first carefully what I'm gonna do over here. We have two parts here and then last part. First part is just multiplying the brackets, opening the bracket, expanding them, and then we need to add. And the first three questions are okay, but D, E, and F kind of confuse you. I want you to listen super carefully. You what? Yes, write it. So I'm going to expand the bracket, first one. Okay, it's gonna be, let me write down the question first. 5y plus 3 plus 2y plus 7, okay? So I'm gonna write that's equals to. Expanding bracket will be the 5y plus 15 for the first one. Am I right?
Yes.
Is that clear? Write this down. So the second part would be what? Help me. 2y plus 14. Perfect. But when I expanded this all, I realized that I have a like terms there as well. Am I right? So I have 5y's and 2y's, and I have 15 and 14. So I need to collect them, okay? So 5y and the 2y, we just realize the like terms, and the 15 and the 14. So what I will do is, it's just going to sorry guys, I think I need to close this and open because there is a problem. Okay, now works. Okay, so 5y plus 2y, 5y's plus 2y will be 7y's altogether, and 15 plus 14 gives us 29. As you can see, final answer is going to be something like this. All right. So let me do the D, and I'm going to let you do B, C, E, F on your copybook. Okay. So I'm going to do D now. Listen how to do D. Okay. So to do the D, okay, we have this 7 multiplied by 2g plus 3 altogether minus 5 multiplied by g plus 2. So to solve this, it's not for us, I guess, right?
No.
Yeah. I need to expand the first bracket. It's going to be, help me, 14g plus,
21.
but on the other hand, this is negative 5. Guys, don't forget, you're multiplying negative 5 by this, okay? It's going to be negative 5g, but
Negative 5g.
then what?
Then negative 10.
Minus 10. Good job. Yeah, so then I basically gonna collect the like terms that I did over there for question A, 14 and the negative 5g, guys. This is negative 5g. 14g plus negative 5g will give us,
9G. Yes, 1G. Sir, it's minus.
I know, 14g plus negative 5g. That's what I'm saying.
How is it 9G?
It's gonna be 9g.
Plus 11.
21 plus negative 10.
A positive number minus a negative number will become always a positive.
Plus, I'm saying 14g, listen, plus negative 5g. That is 14g minus 5g. Isn't that same? Okay, so now it's time for you to start to do question B, C, E, F. Go.